Hey, Julia here from violinspiration.com. If you are reading my Violin Inspiration mails, you know that I'm talking a lot about the importance of practice. But truth is that some practice habits don't help you to progress at all, or even lead you to play worse than before. So in this video I want to share some bad habits with you. And also I'm going to share some substitutions so you can substitute your bad habits for good habits and make much more progress in your regular practice routine. Mistake number 1. Practicing too quickly. Practicing too quickly is one of the worst mistakes you can make, because what you're basically doing is practicing your mistakes. If you practice too quickly and you're making mistakes while you're practicing, you are actually practicing to make mistakes. But most people get bored when they practice, so they start practicing too quickly anyway. If you get bored next time, instead do the following. Don't practice more quickly, but change up the rhythm to add more spiciness to your practice routine. Here's an example. Or change your bowing. Mistake number 2. Practicing pieces over and over again. Instead of playing the same pieces over and over again, or even the piece that you're practicing over and over again with the same mistakes but not minding it anyway and playing it over and over again with the mistakes, try this. If you are working on a piece, don't just play it over and over again, but take the parts out of the piece that are hardest and practice those until you really master them. Don't play the pieces that you can already play, because that is not going to help you improve at all. And if you're one of those people that is playing the same old pieces every day, you might want to choose a piece that is challenging you so you can learn new technique and new skills on the violin. Mistake number 2. Inconsistency in your practice routine. The most common practice mistake of all is just not practicing at all or being inconsistent in your practice routine. If you are one of those people struggling with getting into a consistent practice routine, do the following. Sit down with a sheet of paper and ask yourself the following questions. 1. What is holding me back to practice? 2. What should I change in my life to practice more consistently? In my weekly emails, I motivate you to get out of your chair and to start practicing. You can sign up for these emails right now in the description bar below. I hope this video helped you to ditch some of your practice mistakes and replace them with good habits. Seriously, are you still watching this video? It's time to practice! Thanks for watching this video and hope to see you back on my channel next week.